Yes, you're watching here absolutely the colorful charts over here. You may think that what is this? These kind of collections are only from the matching segment. Yes, when a woman wears a sari, she always expects the same color of blouse, ready-made in skirts, or either the shape wears or the ready-made printed sari, Poonam sari, casual sari, party wear sari, boutique sari, either traditional base silk or rapier silk segment. Yes, my friends, absolutely I'm talking about the matching varieties. Today, the costume what I'm wearing about the digital printed sari with the lavender color with the traditional pattu border of the maroon color combination. So today, not showing saris, but after a long time, people are asking, ma'am, you have showed many varieties. Just show some weaving work based off jerry weaving work saris, jerkam weaving saris of the matching ready-made blouses. So friends, today I'm going to show you absolutely the collections from the friendly budget of from 85 rupees to around 300 rupees of ready-made blouses. Keep watching this video, subscribe the channel. Actually, because the customers are purchasing over here, I'm taking the collections to the next counter. You can take a screenshot quickly, you can add into your business for this Dussehra Diwali season before getting out of stock. Take a mobile, do a video calling purchase. You have a sales team to guide you, to support you based on your languages. So here are the collections. So depend on the different designs and collections, the color charts where you can purchase with the net fabric, the satin fabric, rapier sarees for the silk, khadi cotton, linen cotton, and number of cotton silk varieties. You can also purchase for this kind of varieties. You can purchase from only at factory price. So friends, quickly we'll see the collections. I have a first fabric which is a net based fabric, which is a designer with the sequence and chumki work. The net fabric you have a designer cut. So this is the pattern over here. So today I'm showing you the collections and the three-piece concept because their live purchase is going on with the customers. One of the south, the customers with the team, they has come with a friends team. You can also do visit purchase either woman or male or female. You can also plan with your family members, with your friends, with your colleague. Everyone visits Surat either purchasing diamond or the gold or either these things for the textile market. So when you come to Surat, you have a diamond city, it's called as for the textile market, very familiar. You can buy at the wholesale price only, set to set. This is for the net fabric we have seen here. Next saree pattern, which is the ready-made blouses with the weaving work, very beautiful. You have got the semi pads. This is the matte look finishing of the weaving work with the black and the piping work. This is also you can purchase. This is one kind of collections. So this one of the pattern. In this you can purchase with the one more thing. Next saree with the formal uniformy colors with the digital base, digital printed come the golden foil printed. These kind of collections also you can purchase. This is also one of the pattern. For the khadi cotton or the jerkin base, the satin, especially for the Jimmy Choo fabric, satin silk fabric. If you want jerkin work and the jerry work, highlighted with the ready-made blouses, the wholesale is giving you these kind of collections. Hello, saree resellers, you have to buy the matching shapewears also, including the ready-made blouses also. Coming to Kerala style for the golden jerry border, gap border sarees, for the golden, only the golden blouses, the cream colors, dark cream color, these kind of collections also you can purchase. This is also one of the purchasing collections of the handwork, the creamish color and the golden color. Coming to butta, the golden butta, silver butta, copper butta, these kind of blouses also you can purchase with the kota patti, with the highlighted with the multiple varieties of the neck pattern. These kind of collections also you can purchase. If you want the casual for the silver butta, you have a one more color with the silver waves type, you have a blouses. In this also you can purchase with the silver butta and the copper butta casual, rapier cotton, rapier silk, silk cotton, cotton embroidery, cotton printed come traditional. And coming to traditional based matte look with the golden weaving highlighted with the maroon color, these kind of collections you can purchase all the color charts. Either you can go for silver butta, golden butta, weaving work sarees, printed come jerry border, ari work, hand work, jerkin work, jerry work, digital printed, all these exclusive collections you can purchase with the right manufacturers. The benefits where you can purchase with the color charts, with the sizes, with the fabrics, with the body shape vest, Even you have a fabrics, the color charts, where bunches to bunches you can see over here, and the manufacturers are giving you with the barcode. Every pattern you have the barcode with the KTC Kesaria logo. Either you go for shapewear, either you go for running blouse, and the materials is a live purchase, and this is the way how the sales team will guide you to support you based on your city, either Tamil Nadu, Andhra, Telangana, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, UP, Bihar, Gujarat, Maharashtra, all the states at one place. Clothing business, you have to deal with the right manufacturers. Yes, right? So if you want to become a party wear boutique reseller, if you want to become a fabric resellers, if you want to have a tailoring business, especially house-based housewives, if you are a woman entrepreneur, if you are into a tailoring business, you have to purchase like this multiple varieties of the fabrics, which is a running material. You have a multiple options. You can do the lining for the blouses, even in the inskirts. Every woman having a such tailoring business of the collections where you can directly do with the right manufacturers with a friendly budget around 20,000, 30,000 you can purchase. So this is what the counter is busy. So keep watching this video, and soon you can, before getting out of stock, you can also purchase. Subscribe the channel. There's a video calling live purchase also you can do. There's a pickup drop facilities also there. There is online team to guide you, to support you. Numbers are scrolling on the screen. So don't forget your name and your city. Please mention in the comment what kind of doubts you have. Please share in the comments so I can share a reply video with you all. So hope you enjoyed, and don't forget to share this channel link with your friends, relatives, with everyone who is really interested to start a clothing business. So hope Kesaria will guide you, support you. Subscribe the channel, social media pages follow. Every day you can see the product videos. Next video we'll meet with new more collections. Until then, keep supporting me. Take care. Bye-bye.